Now, to change the effect of that nocebo to being less and that placebo being more, I already said we have to connect with our bioelectric nature. It's going to be very hard to change the effect of those negative messages to more positive without this secret ingredient. So we have to go into a place of neutrality. We have to relax ourselves. We have to kind of put away the world for a moment. And everyone can do that. Let's just do it now together, everyone here. So, if you will, with me, you can just close your eyes. And I want you to just take a deep breath in as far as you can go. Inhale. And then I want you to just do a little bit more. And then a little bit more. Hold and then exhale out. Feel that release all the way down through your body. And then just start breathing naturally. Don't try to control your breath. Just become aware of it. As you're starting to become more aware of it, this mechanism of the breath being high breaths per minute to lower breaths per minute will happen naturally because you brought your attention inside. So that's another key to pay attention to. If your attention's always outside yourself, your breaths per minute are going to increase. Once you bring your attention inside, those breaths per minute are going to drop. They're going to lower. Is this all making sense? Let me know in the chat. Everyone's been so quiet so far, but I'd love to hear from you. This is why I'm doing it. I want to be available to you all here on my channel. So continue with me. So we're going inside. And as we're going inside, we're just having that objective awareness. The breath is here. And try to let go of the control, the doing, the changing. Just try to just be at rest. Relax a little bit more. I guarantee a lot of you right now, as you do this, your breath per minute is dropping. And you can start to feel it in your nervous system. There's kind of like a, what's a good word? A sunkenness, a soaking into your body more. And for me, it just feels like my awareness just soaks into the body deeper. And it starts to just continue down to, again, my belly, my center here. And if you can put your hands on your abdomen. And then you'll start to feel the breath is starting to engage more in the abdominal cavity and less from here. In truth, it's the whole thing, but we're emphasizing the abdominal cavity more. Good. And then just gradually you relax more, your breaths per minute lowers and lowers. Your mind starts to become more calm. When these things all start to come together, then this bioelectrical. See if you can feel it right now. Do you feel a little buzz, a little tingling moving through your body? Maybe down your legs to your feet or to your fingertips or in your face. You start to feel this electricity that you are. And the more and more you kind of like just continue to just step back in your mind. Don't try to figure it out. Don't try to judge it. Don't try to judge yourself. Am I doing this right or wrong? Just forget all that. Just play like a child. You're just playing, like feeling this, discovering this. Maybe for some of you, you've done this before. Well, what starts happening is, again, this electrical, this chi starts waking up in your awareness. And I can feel it now. It's buzzing all through my body, my hands, my tongue. I can feel it in my tongue. I can feel it moving up and down my spine. If you don't feel that, that's okay. I've been doing this a long time. But once you feel that, now you're in the crystal palace. Now you're in the place where you can change the relationship of those messages and the impact they have on you. So when you are in this place, then you can bring in something really close to your heart. Maybe you had, I don't know, like my son yesterday gave me a surprise just out of nowhere. It was like this beautiful blessing he just gave me. Oh, my heart just filled up with so much love and appreciation. So I take that blessing that he gave me into my heart right now while I'm feeling this bioelectricity. So find something like that for you. Maybe it's just a small thing like you're feeling the sun, the warmth of the sun on your skin, and it feels so good. Or maybe you're just like, wow, thank you. I have a roof over my head. I have people that care for me. I have people that love me in my life. Bringing your attention to those things as you're experiencing this electrical nature you are. And you just kind of play with it. With each breath, you're kind of just fanning this message, because that's what it is. So I'm feeling this incredible amount of gratitude in this moment for my son. Like feeling so much love in my heart that, he saw me in a way and gave me this beautiful gift, and how appreciated and how grateful I am. And I can just feel that now tingling and buzzing through my whole body. It's becoming potent, guys. It's becoming magnetized. It's increasing. Yeah, and as I'm doing, I'm getting the goosebumps through my whole body. Always a good sign. And I can feel now that the master glands in my brain are producing different quality of hormones, different peptides. So whatever they are, I don't have to know. They just feel good. They feel like more serotonin, let's say, or dopamine, or oxytocin, all of these incredible things, but they're very potent. I can feel them now, like just, whoa, like beautiful, like almost kind of blissful waves of sensation through my body. That is healing happening right now. So regardless what level of pain you have, what level of fatigue you have, what level of symptoms you have, this is the medicine. This is the medicine that your cells are now drinking in. Man, make sure you just feel that. It's like your body's like a sponge, and it's just soaking this message in more and more with all this potent electricity with it. And oftentimes, when you get into this state more and more, you'll just naturally have a smile on your face. One of the teachings one of my teachers gave me long ago, which is a beautiful practice. I have a video here on the YouTube channel doing it. And we used to make the prayer position right over our hearts, right? Touching that heart center, and we'd say, smile. So you smile either in your face or you smile in your heart. And you say, I am blessed. Smile. I am blessed. And you feel what it feels like to be blessed. And you keep taking that message in deeper and deeper. Before you know it, you're going to feel so much more at peace, so much more radiance, so much more bliss coming through you. That is it, guys. That's the medicine. You don't have to know about is it lowering my inflammation numbers this way, or is my blood chemistry changing this way? I mean, you can do your own experiments with it. I've done it. It's fascinating, but the key is you don't have to know that. All you have to know is this formula, this feeling, and you have to exercise it. You have to be with it, preferably, depending on your condition, multiple times a day. Return back to this, regardless of what your condition was. And this is how I did it. This is how I healed myself and have helped many people heal, just by doing this. So people ask about wanting to work with me or needing some more information. This is it. You just do this simple formula every day.